Hello, my name is Paula and welcome to our channel. And something is different with me today. Can you guess what? I know you can. I have on my glasses. I'm starting to get ready to go on a journey of getting LASIK surgery. And you have to wear your glasses for a certain length of time before they do any testing. And I'm going to start making videos about my journey through this. Hopefully, eventually, I'll have a link to it right here. Today, I received my Ipsy bag and we're fixing to open it together. So if you want to see what I got, keep watching. If you're new to our channel or you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like unboxings and makeup, give me a big thumbs up. I received my Ipsy bag today and we're going to open it. Have you received your Ipsy bag yet? Let me know in the comments. I did get tracking that my Ipsy Glam is on its way too, so it'll be coming before too long. For those of y'all that wear glasses, how do you put your makeup on when you cannot see very good at all? I dropped something. Just a minute. This was something in my Ipsy that could not fit in the bag. And it is a brush. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? It looks like a blending brush, nice and soft. There was no card, so I've already pulled it up on my phone to see what all we have in here. This is an SL Miss Glam makeup brush. SL Miss Glam makeup brush. Look, it's got some little stones there. It's got synthetic bristles, and it was $18.50. So $18.50. I'm glad to be getting brushes right now because, like I say, I've just been beginning on my journey and I don't have a whole lot of brushes. I'm getting a pretty good set already, but I don't have a lot, and this one's really very pretty. So I really like that one. Okay, so brush was $18.50. The Ipsy bag is $12. $12, $15. Pretty sure it's $12, but I'll check to make sure and I'll put it up here. And it comes in a bag. You get a bag and it says Ipsy. Looks kind of like a sunset. Isn't that pretty? You open it up and you get trial size items in here. Every now and then a full size item, but most of them are trial sizes. And so we're going to see what we have in here. Oh, there is a card in here. Let's look at it. Get that glow. A new season is finally on the horizon. It doesn't have the stuff on it. If you look inside, it's a pretty yellow. Has the Ipsy logo. Very pretty. Okay, the next item is Estate Baked Highlight Powder. Do Me. Let's see if I can find out about it. Do Me Baked Highlighter. Bye-bye. This is what the Estate Baked Highlighter Powder looks like. It does have some shine and sparkle to it. Let's see if we can find out how much it is. And it is $10. Yeah, that has a good highlight to it. You see that there? Very pretty. That is a pretty. Okay. So what did I say? 10 and $18.50. Well, this itself paid for the box. This nearly did. Everything else is free. Now that's pretty good. The next thing is Mark Anthony True Professional 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter leave-in conditioner. Detangle and hydrate dry, damaged hair into soft, smooth, healthy looking hair. Doesn't tell me how much this one is. Maybe here it is. No, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't tell me how much this is. I'll see if I can find out and I will let you know. The next item is a Space Case Cosmetics. Pretty sure it's going to be eyeshadow. I got a Space Case Cosmetics highlighter and I just love these boxes they come in. I just love how pretty they are with all the rainbows. Very pretty. Okay, so let's see what color this is. Okay, it's got some shine to it. Looks like it's kind of a gray. There we go. Got some sparkle to it. It's called Intense Stargasm. Woo, Stargasm. Now that's funny. $9. Okay, let's just swatch. See if I can build it up to where you can see it. It may be one of those that you just wear underneath. There it is. See? Yeah, and you can build that up to where you can see it better. Okay, so I think those are my 4 items that I received. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those were my 4 items that I would have gotten for $12. Then I did do an add-on of a Tarte H2O gloss. So this is the Tarte H2O gloss, and the color of it is Sail Away, and this is my add-on. And let's swatch it. There's a pretty color. That's about the color. I chose this because it is a color that I will use. So, ooh, it smells good. It smells good too. So that's a good color. So that is an add-on Tarte H2O gloss. And I don't mind the glosses being little like this. That way you can have more of them in lots of different colors, and you might use them up a little bit more. What did you get in your Ipsy bag? What was your favorite? Did you like what you got? Did you get the same thing as me? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't tried Ipsy and you want to, remember it's only $12 a month, and it is a subscription. You can cancel anytime, and you can skip a month and then get right back into it. And if you want to try it out, I'll put my link below. I do not get paid by Ipsy. I get credit to spend in their store, so it's not like they're paying me to do this. I'm not paid to do this. It doesn't come to me free for anything. So if you like all of this, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thank you. Bye-bye.